Hello, good evening to all of you. All right.
Good
Okay, let's start our session for today. I hope you all have written the list of things that I have forwarded to the group. ලියා ගත්තද පුතේ ටික?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I'm going to start from here. So this is about a party. Yes, now tell me. Okay, then. All right, you have copied from activity A. නේද පුතේ? Activity A එකෙන් දැන් නේද start කරේ?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. මතනින් නේද කරේ පුතේ? මතනින් නේද ලියාගත්තේ? ලියාගත්ත නේද?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
teacher ලියාගන්න. This one?
No. No.
Okay. So here just yes, let's start from here. So this is about
Teacher.
winter. Yes, Puda.
Teacher.
Oh. කියන්න නැතුවි.
ලියවන්න දුන්නේ.
එව්වනේ මම මේක ෆොටෝ එක එව්වා.
අර ඉස්සර තිබ්බ එක ලියගන්න දුන්නේ.
ඒක නෑ. ඒක නෑ පුතේ. මෙතන ඉඳන් මං කියන්නේ. මේක ලියාගත්තද?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. All right, look at the pictures and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, 3 or words. Okay, then let's start to read one by one. First, who is the volunteer? How the මුලින්ම read කරන්නේ? Yes, Netumio. Who is the other one? What is your name, Puta? I couldn't remember your one. Yes, what's your name, darling? Green dress? Yes, darling, what's your name?
Dulmi.
Yes?
Dulmi.
Dulmi. Yes, Dulmi. Who is going to read first? Dulmi or Netumi? Netumi the first read karane, Dulmi the. Yes, let's start. One of you. Okay, let's start from Dulmi. Dulmi start karana, next Netumi, okay? All right, start.
It was a cold winter day. Helen, Richard, David, Betty, and William dressed up in their warm clothes and went outside to play in the snow. Betty and William were soon
Busy.
making a snowman.
They used
Teacher story එක නෑ.
පේනව නේද පුතේ?
No teacher. නැති වුණා.
පේන්නේ නැද්ද? ඔයාලා ලියාගත්තු එකෙන් read කරන්න පුතේ ඒක ලේසියි ඔයාලට.
Teacher මං story එක ලියාගත්තේ නෑ.
අයියේ. මං අර early දැම්මේ පුතේ you can write it down. ඒ නිසාමයි දැම්මේ වේලාසනින් ඔයාලට ලියා ගන්න. හැමෝම ලියා ගන්න එවන notes ටික. Okay, then now can you see?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, then start.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
They
used
used a carrot for his nose and they gave him a hat and
a striped scarf.
striped scarf.
They
Decided to call their snowman Miss Nothing because they knew that when the weather got
warmer
warmer, they
their
find
fine
their
snow
fine snowman.
snowman.
Snowman wouldn't run to teacher නැති වුණා.
Just give me 1 second. Okay. Turn to nothing. Yes. Snowman would turn to nothing.
Nothing. Helen
Okay.
Richard
Stop, Puta. Then we'll give
turned to
to
nothing.
me. Netumi start.
Helen, Richard, and David said they
Would also
would also make a snowman. Richard and David
began
began to make a big snowball for their snowman's
body.
body. Helen's snowball was going to be the snowman's head,
Head.
but before it was big
Enough.
enough, she
thought
thought it would be fun to throw the snowball at David. The snowball hit had, so David and Richard
Threw
threw their snowball at Betty.
perhaps
Perhaps you can
guess
guess
what
what
happened.
next. Everyone started to throw snowballs at each other, and Helen, Richard, and David never did make their snowman. So they
Also
also had Mr. Nothing.
nothing. All right. It was called winter day. Called winter means winter is the season of what? Snow නේද? Snow ගොඩාක් වටින season එකක් තමයි මොකද්ද? Winter කියලා කියන්නේ.
Winter.
Helen, Richard, and David, Betty, and William dressed up in their warm clothes and went outside to play in the snow. Then all are here. Helen, Richard, David, Betty, William. 4 people are here. So they are wearing warm clothes. සීතලට අඳින ඇඳුම් තමයි පුතේ යාලා ඇඳගෙන ඉන්නේ. Betty and William were soon busy making a snowman. This is Betty and William. Betty, William. මේ දෙන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? They are making a snowman. Snowman. Yes. They used a carrot for his nose. Carrot එකක් තමයි පුතේ nose එකට දැම්මේ. And they gave him a hat. එයාට hat එකකුත් දැම්මා. And striped scarf. Scarf එකකුත් දැම්මා ලස්සන stripe තියෙන. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉරි scarf එක නේද? ඉරි තියනවාට අපි කියනවා පුතේ stripes කියලා. They decided to call their snowman Mr. Nothing. On a snowman ගේ නම තමයි පුතා Mr. Nothing. Mr. Nothing එයාගේ නම. Because they knew that when the weather got warmer, their fine snowman would turn to nothing. එයාලා එහෙම තීරණය කරේ. They decided. එයාලා තීරණය කළා to call. කතා කරන්න snowman. හිම මිනිසාට ඇයි හේතුව මොකක්ද? Mr. Nothing because they knew that එයාලා දැනගෙන හිටියා. Knew කියන්නේ පුතේ දැනගෙන හිටියා. When the weather got warmer. ඒ කියන්නේ weather කියන්නේ කාලගුණය නේද? කාලගුණය රස්නෙට හැරුණාම රස්නේ වුණාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙයාව දිය වෙලා යනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මුකුත්ම නැති වෙනවා නේද? මුකුත්ම නැහැ. Turn to nothing. කිසි දෙයක් නැහැ. Helen, Richard and David said they would also make a snowman. ඔන්න මේ තුන් දෙනාත් හිතනවා snowman කෙනෙක් හදනවා. Helen, David and Richard. අනේ යාලත් හිතනවා දැන් snowman කෙනෙක් හදනවා කියලා. Richard and David began to make big snowball for their snowman's body. ඔන්න Richard උයි Helen උයි ලොකු snowballs හදන්න ගත්තා. එයාගේ body එක හදන්න. Helen's snowball was going to be the snowman's head. Helenගේ එක තමයි පුතේ snowman ගේ head එකට ගන්නෙ. But before it was big enough, she thought it would be fun to throw the snowball at David. ආයා ඒක හදන ගමන් කතා කරනවා ඒක ටිකක් විශාල නැහැ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පොඩි. Not it was big enough. She thought it would be fun to throw. මේක හොඳයි කාට හරි විසි කළා නම් throw කළා නම් කියලා මොකද කරන්නේ? ඔන්න ඩේවිඩ්ගේ ඇඟට විසි කරනවා. The snowball hit his hat. Snowball එක ගිහිල්ලා යාගේ hat එකේ වැදෙනවා. I hope you all can see the picture. Picture එක පේනවා නේද පුතේ?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so David and Richard threw the snowball at Betty. ඔන්න ඒ දෙන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? Bettyට විසි කරනවා යාළගේ snowball එක. Perhaps you can guess what happened next. දැන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් සමහර විට perhaps කියන්නේ පුතේ සමහර විට. සමහර විට ඔයාලට දැන් guess කරන්න පුළුවන් අනුමාන කරන්න පුළුවන් ඊළඟට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Everyone started to throw snowballs at each other. ඔක්කොම මොකද කරේ? හැමෝටම එක එක්කෙනාට snowballs වලින් ගහ ගන්නවා දැන්. And Helen, Richard and David never did make their snowman. ඒ තුන් දෙනාට snowman ව හදා ගන්න බැරි වුණා. So they also had Mr. Nothing. They also had Mr. Nothing. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ දෙන්න හදපු nothing කියන කෙනා තමයි පුතේ මෙයාලටත් දැන් ඉන්නේ. Okay, these are the questions. Now, I hope you all can understand. Do you have any question about it? පුතා මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන්නේ passage එකේ මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද?
No, teacher.
Okay. Now shall we write the answers? ඔයාලා දැන් මේවා ලියාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. answer එක විතරයි ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Helen, Richard, David, Betty and William were wearing. මොනවද පුතේ ඇඳගෙන ඉන්නේ? Wearing what clothes?
Clothes.
Yes.
Clothes.
Warm
Clothes.
clothes. නිකන් clothes නෙමෙයි පුතේ. Warm clothes. Warm clothes කියලා ලියා ගන්න.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
All right. Next one, number 2. Read the number 2. Betty and William decided to make a.
Betty
Yes,
decided
please.
to make a snowman.
Snowman. Very good.
Snowman.
Answer is snowman. Snowman. Next one, snowman. Answer is snowman. Next one, read the next one. Richard and David started to make.
Big snowball.
Yes,
Snowball.
big snowball. Big snowball.
Finish, teacher.
Helen threw her snowball at David and it hit. Hit what පුතා? මොකටද වැදුනේ? Hit his
Hat.
his hat. Very good. His hat. Answer is his hat.
Finish, teacher.
Last
Finish,
one.
teacher.
Helen, Richard and David did not make a snowman. මොකද කරේ? ඒගොල්ලෝ එක්කෙනෙක් හැදුවේ නැහැ. Did not make a snowman. Did not make a snowman.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. All right, next one. You have questions. Emma and Harry are talking about today when they both went to chemist. Chemist means පුතා pharmacy එක. Okay? What do they say? මොනවද යාලා දැන් කියන්නේ? Write the correct words on the lines. Use word bank to help you. This is the word bank, puta. You want to use these words to fill these blanks. Okay. Example is this. It was autumn. The road was wet and I fell off. ඔන්න මොකද වුනේ වතුර වැටිලා තිබිලා මාව වැටුණා. Fell off. වැටුණා. Now read this conversation and write the answers along by using the word bank. Word bank එක use කරලා පුතේ answers ටික ලියන්න තනිවම. Okay? Let's start. Okay, have you finished?